You won't believe what's making farmers in China rich: giant bamboo rats. Rat herb. These silent bamboo munchers are no ordinary rodents. Raised on rural farms, they're turning into a surprising source of meat, income, and even education. With nothing but fresh bamboo, farmers are building sustainable businesses that support their families and communities. From the forest to the farm, it's a rural revolution you've probably never heard of. Hit that subscribe button now to uncover more mind-blowing stories from around the world. You won't want to miss what's coming next.